Hello viewers, welcome to online tutorials. We are today going to learn in this video about operational intelligence of this Splunk. So what exactly is the operational intelligence? So operational intelligence in a broad sense mean that turning the machine data into useful insights. So to look deeper into that, machine data is one of the fastest growing and complex areas of big data. It is also one of the most valuable, containing a definitive record of all the user transactions, customer behavior, machine behavior, security threats, and more. Splunk turns machine data into valuable insights no matter what business you are in. So this is exactly what they call as operational intelligence. So operational intelligence gives a real-time understanding of what's happening across our IT systems and technology infrastructure so that we can take more quicker decisions on that, because almost everything we do is assisted in some way or other by the technology information will be collected to the log files, and those has been grown dramatically nowadays. Many of the events recorded by servers actually they represent the behavior of customers or partners. Splunk has figured out that web server access logs could not only diagnose the system but also help us to better understand the behavior of the people who are browsing our websites. Splunk has been at forefront raising awareness about optical intelligence and operational intelligence, the new category of methods and technology of using machine data to gain visibility into the business and discover insights for IT and entire enterprise. So here are some use cases where the operational intelligence comes into very major play in our day-to-day business. So we can use the machine data to gain deeper understanding of their customers. For example, if you are just tracking down on a website, you can see what all people bought on a particular day. But looking closely at web server logs, you can see all the pages that people are looking before they purchase. And perhaps even you can see what all people looked at the pages but they did not buy. So here is we can understand much more information about the viewers. So that can really help us to develop our business. So the second use case will be reveal important patterns and analytics derived from correlating events from many sources. So when we track indicators of customer behavior and consumer behavior from different websites, call detail records, social media and in retail transactions, far more complete picture of consumer or customer emerges. As more and more customer interactions show up the machine data, more can be learned. For example, we can see in our real life time that if you search about a car or buying a car from a showroom, if you visit any other website after that, you can see any ad by the Google for that car. That means that those websites are tracking down all our activities and they are converting that to for their business. So for their improvement of business, they are converting that data. That is what exactly is called as operational intelligence. So they are grasping the patterns of our usage over the websites and they are helping out themselves to improve their business for by providing different patterns to customers on that. So the third important use case is reduce the time between the important events and its detections. So if a user is going to purchase any product online, for example through an e-commerce website, so he has to go through different stages of that. So for example, so he's choosing an item from a e-commerce website, so he need to choose the quantity of that, then he need to go to the payment page, then he need to approve the payment, then he need to end the payment and confirm that. So he need to move through different phases before confirming his order. So we can in this sense, if any at any stage if the transaction is delayed, the customer may get frustrated and irritated and he may leave the transaction for the next time. So here using this operational intelligence, we can check out which phase of our complete transaction took lot more time than the usual one, and that helps drastically improve our business. The next use case will be leverage live feeds and historical data to make sense of what is happening now and to find trends and anomalies and to make more information decisions based on the information. So the traffic created by web promotion can be measured in real time and compared with previous promotions. So when any e-commerce websites or any retail stores on their websites offer a promotion, so that day they can observe huge customer usage of those websites than a other typical day. So basing on the information on that day, the usage information on that day, they can they can use that information for their next promotion to identify the number of customers using those websites on that particular day, and they can manage their resources accordingly, which prevents the crash of their websites by over usage of the customers. So the next one will be deploy a solution quickly and deliver the flexibility needed by the organizations today and in future. That is the ability to provide ad hoc reports, answer questions, and add new data sources. So Splunk can be presented in traditional dashboards that allow users to explore the events and keep asking new questions, which they can find answers from the log files that is injected into the Splunk. So to have a quick recap of what we had in this session, this session is all about the operational intelligence of the Splunk. With the growing machine data around us in our day-to-day life, it is becoming highly important to analyze the machine data and to deeply understand what the machine data contains. So this also includes the user behavior or the websites, and it can also include the most valuable information about the customer behavior, the machine behavior, and security threat that our website is having from different users. So operational intelligence gives us real-time understanding of the data. So when we see the use cases of this operational intelligence in day-to-day life, users or the company owners can track what customers are doing on their web servers before they purchase any item. So that can be very, very handy for them, for the company owners to have the customers stay with them by giving different promotions or special discounts on the products, especially what they like. For example, a user is continuously searching for a mobile phone for past 3-4 days. From the fifth day, the mobile the the website owner can offer special discount, attracting the customer to buy a new mobile from their website. So, and that is one of the use case. And other use case is also like tracking the customer behavior, and and during any promotions of this sales on any website, they can understand how a customer behaves during promotions and what all the products that customer will be interested during any promotions, and they can use that information during their next promotions. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Let's meet in the other video. Thank you.